How to add a circle around in Adobe Acrobat. Adding a circle around a text in Adobe Acrobat is a simple way to highlight important information. Let's get this started. First things first, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once it is open, you can see its type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply go to this E sign over here, tap on it. That will open a sidebar for you, and on this sidebar you can find an option for circle around, which is this one. Simply tap on it. Now go to the place where you want to add a circle around. For example, I want to add a circle around in this resource methodology, which is over here. Simply tap over here and let's do it again. Simply tap over here, and what you have to do is simply increase the text like this one. Okay, and let's do it again. Okay. So be careful. Okay. So you can see a circle around like this. You can edit your circle by tapping on this A button over here, which will make it cert, and this will make it larger. And you can also see a delete button over here, that is in case you don't like the circle, you can delete it from here too. So that's the way. Now once you are satisfied with your circle, save the document, and there you have it. You have successfully added a circle around in Adobe Acrobat, making your important information pop. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.